In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth scrolling effect using anchor links on your web page. This technique is a fantastic way to enhance navigation on your site by allowing users to jump directly to specific sections with a simple click. We'll walk through the process of setting this up step by step. Let's get started. First, we need to add an anchor to the destination block. This involves selecting the specific part of your page that you want to scroll to. Often, this could be a heading or perhaps a group block. Once you've identified that section, look to the right sidebar of your editor. Under the Advanced settings, you'll find an option labeled HTML Anchor. Here, you should enter a unique name for your anchor. Avoid using spaces or the hash symbol. Instead, something like contact works perfectly. Doing this creates an anchor ID with the format ID contact. This ID is crucial, as it acts as the marker that your button will link to later on. It's a straightforward process, but attention to detail in naming is important as it makes sure everything connects smoothly. With your anchor now set, let's move on to linking a button to it. Select the button block that you intend to use as the trigger for this scrolling effect. In the toolbar located above the button, notice the familiar link icon, which looks like a small chain link. Click this to open up a field where you can input your anchor link. This is where you need to remember the name you chose earlier. You'll type it here preceded by a hash symbol. So for our example, you'll enter #contact. Once that's done, either press enter or hit the apply button. As you can see, this is where the magic happens. When someone clicks this button on your web page, the browser will smoothly scroll down to the section you've specified. It's a user-friendly feature that visitors will appreciate, as it makes navigating through your content feel much more intuitive and connected. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to implement anchor links to make your site more interactive. Remember, while this process is simple, ensuring that your anchors are correctly named and accurately linked is key. Revisit the steps if things don't seem to be working as expected. This technique not only enhances user navigation, but also adds a professional touch to your site. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your website transform into a more engaging space for your visitors.